Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6. These devices are set to break new ground with their impressive specs and durability. Let's dive into all the details we've learned from the latest leaks. First up, let's talk about the build and durability. Both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are using Samsung's Armor Aluminum for the frame and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the cover screen. This combination promises better durability and resistance to everyday wear and tear. What's really exciting is that these phones are the first foldables to receive an IP48 rating for dust and water resistance. While it's not as robust as the IP68 rating found on high-end bar-style phones, it's a significant improvement over the IPX8 rating seen on previous foldable phones. This means better protection against dust and water. Moving on to the displays, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 have some fantastic screens. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 retains its predecessor's display sizes with a 3.4-inch cover screen and a 6.7-inch foldable screen. The cover screen has a resolution of 720 x 748 pixels and runs at 60 Hz, while the main foldable screen boasts full HD Plus resolution and a 120 Hz variable refresh rate. The Galaxy Z Fold 6, on the other hand, comes with a 6.3-inch dynamic 8M-OLED 2X cover screen with HD Plus resolution and a 7.6-inch main screen with UXGA Plus resolution. Both screens also support a 120 Hz variable refresh rate and can reach a peak brightness of up to 2,600 nits, matching the impressive screens on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Under the hood, both phones are powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM. Storage options include 256 GB and 512 GB, with the Galaxy Z Fold 6 also offering a 1 TB variant. These phones are running Android 14 Base 1 UI 6.11, which promises a smooth and intuitive user experience. One of the standout features in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the inclusion of a vapor chamber system for more efficient cooling. This is a first for the Galaxy Z Flip series, and it should help keep the phone running smoothly even during intensive tasks. Now let's talk cameras. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 is equipped with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. It can record 4K 60fps videos with all its cameras, ensuring high-quality video recording capabilities. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 takes it a step further with a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel front-facing camera on the cover screen, and a 4-megapixel front-facing camera on the inner screen. Like the Z Flip 6, it can record 4K 60fps videos with all its cameras, but it also supports 8K 30fps videos and 4K 120fps slow-motion videos using the primary camera. Galaxy AI into both phones, offering features like circle to search, interpreter mode, and note summarization. The chat assist feature has been improved and optimized for the Galaxy Z Flip 6 cover screen, making it easier to reply to messages with context-sensitive replies suggested by Galaxy AI. However, it seems that some of the rumored new Galaxy AI features are not present in this release. To wrap things up, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Z Fold 6 are shaping up to be some of the most exciting foldable phones on the market. We can't wait to see these phones in action at the upcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung W25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge, similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit: China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Rossian also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. Leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.